After a week of intense scrutiny and negative headlines, there could finally be some relief for the Adani Group. The Andhra Pradesh government has indicated that it is unlikely to cancel power purchase agreements linked to the Adani Group. Finance Minister Payyavula Keshav stated that the state is carefully reviewing the agreements considering their financial and legal implications, and a final decision will be taken only after a thorough analysis.
విద్యుత్ ఒప్పందాల మీద ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ శాసనసభలో చాలా స్పష్టమైనటువంటి ప్రకటన చేశారు. ప్రభుత్వం అన్ని కోణాలను లోతుగా అధ్యయనం చేసిన తర్వాత ప్రభుత్వ వైఖరి తెలియజేస్తామనేటువంటిది చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు 2 రోజుల క్రితం శాసనసభలో ప్రకటించారు. డెఫినెట్గా అదే దిశగానే ప్రభుత్వంలోని ఆలోచనలు కొనసాగుతూ ఉన్నాయి. ఇక ఈ అంశాలను గతంలో ప్రతిపక్షంలో ఉన్నప్పుడు లేవనెత్తినటువంటి వ్యక్తిగా కోర్టుకి నేను వెళ్ళడం జరిగింది కాబట్టి నేను ఈ అంశం మీద ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడడం అనేటువంటిది సబ్జుడిస్ కింద పరిగణించబడుతుంది. కాబట్టి ఈ కేసుకు సంబంధించినటువంటి వివరాలను ఎక్కువగా మాట్లాడడం లేదు. ప్రభుత్వం మాత్రం దీన్ని అన్ని కోణాల్లోనూ ఆర్థిక పరంగా, న్యాయపరంగా, భవిష్యత్తులో షార్టేజ్ ఆఫ్ సప్లైస్ ఇవన్నింటినీ పరిశీలన అనేటువంటిది ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు ఏదైతే ప్రకటన చేశారో ఆ కార్యక్రమంలో ప్రభుత్వం చేస్తా ఉన్నారు.
It's not just business but about politics in Andhra as well. The Telugu Desam party, which is currently in power, has leveled serious allegations against former Chief Minister YSRCP President YS Jagan Mohan Reddy. The TDP has accused Reddy of facilitating the agreements through bribery, resulting in inflated rates that adversely impacted the state's electricity distribution companies. Jagan Reddy, meanwhile, has refuted all allegations.
This is the draft copy of what they have filed in the New York court, which very clearly states that Jagan Mohan Reddy has taken bribes to the tune of $200 million and also calls him a very intelligent person. For having taken more bribes than the Orissa government. They have clearly mentioned here the bribe to Andhra Pradesh for power supply agreement, which was significantly larger than the Odisha power supply agreement, was greater than that paid to the Odisha government officials by order of magnitude. Andhra Pradesh bribe amount approximately $200 million. And they very clearly have stated that once the bribe amount was finalized, the distribution, the PPA agreement with the AP Discoms went with flying speed. What was pending for the last 18 months, when no state was willing to buy power from SCCI because of a higher rate, because nobody was interested, because every Discom wants to buy it at a cheaper price so that their distribution cost comes down, their end user cost comes down. It is only once that these bribes were paid that the Discoms went at full speed.
The controversy has also shed light on the financial stakes involved. Sources say if the government cancels the power purchase agreements, it will have to pay nearly 3,000 crore rupees as compensation and penalties to Solar Energy Corporation of India. Officials clarified that the agreements were not made directly with any Adani Group companies. As the nodal agency, Solar Energy Corporation has commitments with solar power producers and supplies power to state distribution companies, with Adani Group entities being part of the supply chain indirectly. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.